Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. In this video, I will tell you how you can check and install the configuration settings messages in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Ultra. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to install the configuration messages or you want to check the configuration messages, you can do this by the method as I am showing in my video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the configuration messages in your device Samsung S22. Let's watch it.